First Florida Motorsports is pleased to present this gorgeous 2017 Chevy Tahoe LT with less than 15,000 miles, 22-inch wheels, sunroof, leather interior, second row captain's chairs. Tires are brand new, just put them on a couple days ago, brand new Goodyear tires. And you can see this truck is pristine, no chips. Wheels are pristine, new tires, running boards. Take a look inside. Carpet's pristine, 22-inch wheels. Actually no wear on the leather at all, it's like brand new. Steering wheel is like brand new. There's the miles, 14,305 right now. Got the original window sticker, 2 sets of keys. Moonroof. Against the LT. Second row captains. Rear air conditioning. Third row seat. It's got the power tailgate. Super clean is your storage area. Third row. See brand new wheels and tires. Actually the wheels are original, but they're in pristine condition. Tires are brand new, running boards.